Hello, and welcome back to our Calm English practice. Today, we will talk about something very common. Have you ever wondered why you feel tired even when life is okay? Pause. Maybe you wake up, you eat breakfast, you go to work or school, but still you feel a little heavy. You feel low energy. This is normal. Many people feel like this sometimes. And today, we will practice English while understanding why it happens and what small things can help you feel better. Imagine this. You wake up on a Saturday morning. The sun is shining. You drink a cup of tea. You check your phone. Everything is fine. Your friends are happy. Your work is fine. Life is okay. But you still feel tired. Strange, right? Let's try saying it in English. Say this slowly. Repeat after me. I feel tired, but life is okay. Good. Notice how calm your voice feels. One sentence a day is enough. You can use this sentence whenever you feel a little low. Sometimes we feel tired not because something is wrong, but because our brain is busy. Think about this. You check social media. You scroll posts. You see happy friends. You see work messages. You see news. Your brain tries to read, watch, and think at the same time. This is normal, but it can make you feel tired. Let's practice saying this. My brain is busy. I need a small rest. You can use this sentence at home or at work. Even a small pause helps. Now, imagine talking with a friend. Your friend asks, "Are you okay?" And you say, "Yes, life is okay, but I feel a little tired." This is simple and honest. It is good English practice too. Try saying it now. Yes, life is okay, but I feel a little tired. Notice how easy it is to speak slowly. Speaking slowly helps your brain relax and your body relax. Another reason we feel tired is small habits. Maybe you sit a lot. Maybe you do not drink water enough. Maybe you sleep a little, but not fully. Small things in daily life can affect energy. Imagine this scenario. You drink a cup of water. You stand up. You stretch your arms. You take a slow breath. Suddenly, your body feels a little lighter. You feel a little awake. Let's practice this sentence together. I drink water and take a small break. Yes, simple actions, simple sentences, simple English. Everything becomes calm. Sometimes, even good news can make us feel tired. Imagine you finish work and someone says, "You did a great job today." You smile. You feel proud. But at the same time, your body says, "I am tired now." It is okay. Feeling tired is natural. Try saying this. I feel proud, but I am still tired. It is okay to feel two feelings at the same time. English can help you express these feelings. Now, let's try a small mini challenge. Think about your day. Think about one small thing that made you happy today. It can be a cup of tea, a message from a friend, or a quiet moment. Now say this in English. Today, one small thing made me happy. Feel proud of yourself. Smile. Your brain remembers small wins. Another reason we feel tired is overthinking. Sometimes your mind works too much. You think about work, about friends, about what will happen tomorrow. Even when everything is okay, your brain does not stop. Imagine this. You sit on the couch. You watch a small TV show. But in your mind, you plan next week. You remember something from yesterday. Your body feels tired, even if you do not move much. Let's practice saying this in English. My mind is busy, so I feel tired. Yes, it is okay to feel this. Notice your body. Take a slow breath. Sometimes we forget small breaks. Even 5 minutes of calm can help. Imagine closing your eyes. You sit quietly. You take one slow breath. You feel your shoulders relax. You feel a little lighter. Say this slowly with me. Shadowing. I take a small break. I feel calm. Good. Simple sentences. Simple feelings. This is calm English practice. Now let's try a small dialogue. Imagine talking to a friend. Friend, why do you look tired? You, I feel tired, but everything's okay. Friend, do you want to sit and relax? You, yes, I need a small break. Try saying the first sentence now. I feel tired, but everything is okay. And now the second sentence. I need a small break. Notice how simple English helps you express feelings clearly. You do not need long sentences. Short sentences are enough. Another reason we feel tired is too much pressure. Maybe you tell yourself, I must do everything today. I must not make mistakes. I must be perfect. Even if life is okay, this pressure can make you tired. Imagine this. You clean the house. You finish work. You check messages. Everything is done. But your brain says, not enough. This is normal. Many people feel like this. Say this slowly. I do my best. It is enough. Feel proud of yourself. Saying this sentence is practice for English and for life. It helps your mind relax. Now, let's connect this with daily English practice. You can use your feelings to practice English every day. For example, in the morning you can say, today, I feel a little tired, but I am ready for a small step. Repeat after me. Small steps are enough. 1 sentence a day is enough. You do not need long hours. Calm practice is better than long, stressful study. Imagine now, you take a slow walk outside. You notice the sun. You see the trees. You hear birds. You feel a little fresh. You can use this moment to speak English quietly to yourself. Try saying, I notice the sun and I feel fresh. Yes, using English in real life makes learning calm and easy. Finally, sometimes tiredness comes from small things we forget. Not enough water, not enough sleep, or not enough quiet time. These small habits are important. Try saying this sentence slowly. I drink water, sleep well, and take quiet time. Even if life is okay, these small actions help energy. And when you speak English while doing them, you practice without pressure. Now, let's think about everything we talked about today. You may feel tired sometimes, even when life is okay. This is normal. Your brain works a lot. Your body works a lot. Small habits and small thoughts can make you tired. Imagine your day again. You wake up slowly. You drink water. You stretch. You smile. You take small breaks. You say small sentences in English. You notice small joys. Your day is okay, and your body feels a little lighter. Try saying this slowly. My day is calm. I feel a little lighter. Yes, small sentences, small wins, small practice. This is enough. Now, let's do a short reflection. Think about one moment today that made you smile. Maybe a cup of coffee, a message from a friend, or a quiet minute alone. Say this in English. One small moment today made me smile. Feel proud. Smile. Your brain remembers small victories. You practiced English. You notice life. You relaxed. Here is a mini challenge for you. Think about tomorrow. Think about one small action that can help your energy. Maybe drinking more water, standing up, stretching, or speaking one sentence in English. Say this aloud. Tomorrow, I will do one small thing for my energy. Perfect. One small action is enough. 1 sentence a day is enough. Calm practice is the best way to improve English. Now, imagine you speak to a friend tomorrow. Your friend asks, how are you? And you say, I feel a little tired, but I did one small thing today. This is real, calm English. Honest and simple. Try saying this. I feel a little tired, but I did one small thing today. Notice how your voice feels calm. Notice how simple sentences help your mind and body relax. Before we finish, let's do one last set of calm English sentences together. Repeat slowly after me. I take small breaks. I notice small joys. I speak English calmly. I feel proud. Wonderful. Feel proud of yourself. You practiced English. You reflected on your energy. You notice life. Remember, feeling tired sometimes is normal, even when life is okay. Use simple sentences. Take small breaks. Smile. Notice small wins. Speak English slowly. 1 sentence a day is enough. Try this today. Choose one moment to speak one calm English sentence. Maybe now, maybe after lunch, maybe before sleep. Just one sentence. Thank you for practicing with me today. Feel proud of yourself. Smile. Your brain remembers wins. Keep practicing every day. Keep speaking slowly. Keep noticing small joys. If you like today's Calm English practice, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And try this sentence today. I feel tired, but I take one small step. Great. See you in the next Calm English shadowing session. Goodbye for now. And remember, small steps, small sentences, calm mind, happy heart.